Hey guys, I'm Aditya here. Today I'll be talking about how to get a migration certificate from the MGR University. You need this migration certificate in order to continue MD and MS courses in other colleges apart from Tamil Nadu. So, for instance, in NEET PG, you get allotted any other branch or any other college in any other state other than Tamil Nadu. Then you would need a migration certificate from Tamil Nadu to go to that state. Like this holds for every other state. Like for instance, if you are passed out from Kerala and if you got allotted a college in Tamil Nadu, then also you will be needing a migration certificate. This is only for MD and MS courses, not for DNB courses. So let's move on to the tutorial on how to get the migration certificate for Tamil Nadu, like from MGR University. So there's this link that I posted in the description below. Go ahead and check out that link. So once you go to the link, you will be presented with this page, and this page holds the instructions to the candidate. So Control F5, that's just refresh. If you do the Control F5, your page will just get refreshed, or you can just go ahead and click the refresh button here. It doesn't matter. Total file size for uploading certificate should not exceed 5 MB. So there will be some documents that you are required to upload in the site. So just keep in mind that do not upload the documents which have file size exceeding 1 MB. So just keep it to 200 300 kbs and you're fine. So that's that. And so you can go ahead and close the instructions. So once you are in this site, you would want to select your admission year. For me, that's 2016 to 2017. For you, it might differ. So go ahead and choose the year. And then this last appearance registration number, that's your registration number or roll number on your mark sheet. So your final year mark sheet, if you have that, on top of it, there'll be this roll number that you gave for writing the exam. Just put that down here. And once you do the admission year and the last appearance registration number, once you put that down here, then all the details in these shaded boxes, they just appear from the database of MGR website. So all these shaded boxes, they just appear. And name of the candidate, since you're a doctor, you can go ahead and click doctor here. And then just like CRI from date, everything will be filled by the system itself. And then you would want to go ahead and fill the address. That will be like on you. You'll have to fill it manually. Pin code should be manually filled. Nationality India. Gender, you'll have to fill it yourself, and mobile number, email ID, so on and so forth. Then you would like when you click send OTP, the OTP will be not sent to your mobile number, it will be sent to your email. So I had this problem. I was checking my phone and no OTP was coming. Then I realized it goes to your email. So go ahead and check your email. Take the OTP from the email and then just fill it down here, and then it'll show that the OTP is verified, and then you can go ahead and upload the certificates. So you'll have to download the declaration document. So just go ahead and click this button. It'll take you to this new file. Just open that, and this is the declaration document. If you have a tablet that has a stylus support, then you can just open this declaration document in on the tablet, and then just write down the place, date, and just drop your signature and your name on this form. Then just re-upload it back to your computer. You can use the Telegram web or something to transfer the file, or just email it to yourself, or just do whatever. Just it should be on the computer again. Yeah, you can do it on tablet also, by the way. So just however, get the files into one folder. Okay, the required documents. So this is one of the documents that is required after signing. And once you're done with the declaration, just do that. Or for people who do not have the stylus facility in your lap or tablet or whatever, you can go ahead and take a printout of this form manually, just using a ballpoint pen. You can write down the place, date, your signature and your name, and then rescan it again. If you do not have a scanner, use a PDF to image to PDF app on your phone or something. Just take a picture of it, scan and make it a PDF. And then re-upload it back to your just drop it in a file where you're gonna upload all these documents. Okay, so then what you need is these list of 5 certificates. So if you go ahead and go to the certificate name section, there'll be a drop down menu where you can select the files. So over here it's not showing right now. But when you fill in all these details, it will show like a list of 5 documents. So one is the transfer certificate, one is the your degree certificate, one is the provisional degree certificate. Then it will also ask you for 2 more other files, like yeah, one is the fourth year mark sheet. Then they'll ask you for the provisional registration certificate, the CRRA completion certificate, or it's also called the internship certificate. Then the declaration form that we just downloaded and filled with your signature. MBBS degree certificate, that's your main degree certificate, and your transfer certificate. These are the list of like 5 documents that it will be asking. So you go ahead, choose each document, then choose the file that you have saved it. So I saved it in a folder like a migration certificate. I saved all the files here so that I can just go ahead and easily click all that. Now some of my files were like this is 3 MB, this is 1 MB, this is 2 MB, so it could exceed 5 MB. So what I did is I compressed these files. So to compress, you can go ahead and use this. I'll drop this link in the this thing. I'll drop this link in the description below, and you just choose files here, and it'll ask you for what file. You just select the file that exceeds the file that you want to compress. Just go ahead and select that, and then it'll show this loading. It'll be uploading that document onto your this thing website, onto this website, and then you just go ahead and click compress. It'll show you the compressed file, which is just 400 KB. So I did that for each of these files, and then so you end up with all the files. Like every file is like around 200, 400, like less than 500 KB. And if each file is less than 500 KB, I think you're good to go, because 500 into 5, that's 25. So that's about 2.5 MB only, so which is less than 5 MB, which is good. You do not have to enter any remarks here. Just keep adding the certificates. Like once you choose file, just add. Do not enter any remarks. Just add the files, and the file name that you chose here would just come here. That's it. There's nothing to be done. Don't enter any remarks anywhere. And then once you're done with uploading all the 5 files, then you will be moving on to the payment details. Payment section, you will have this basic fee, which will show up to be 5,000 something rupees, and then there'll be a GST for that. It'll amount up to like 6,080 6,083 or something, something around 6,000. Okay. So once you get that price, you just click on any of these banks. So there is actually UPI or anything. It doesn't matter which bank you click. For instance, I went ahead and clicked on Axis Bank, and yeah. So then you just go to another page where you can use your credit card, your debit card, your UPI or net banking to complete the transaction. So once you are done with the transaction, a small pop-up will appear on the top of the screen, like around here, say, and that will show your transaction details, like the transaction number and all the other details. And once that's done, your migration certificate application has been filed, and that's it. You just have to wait for like a week or so, and invoice will be also sent to your email ID. And once the migration certificate is ready, I think they will email it to you to your email ID. So make sure that your email ID is the right one when you are entering it here. That's it. That's all. Then you'll have to just wait, and then once that's done, you'll get your migration certificate. Just go ahead and give it to your university. By the way, if you are not getting your migration certificate within a week, do not panic, because all the universities, they like the college that you move into, they will wait for you to get your migration certificate. Some of my friends, like they're in second year now, and they still haven't submitted their migration certificate. The earlier you do it, the better. But in case you are not able to get your migration certificate due to like you're busy, or like you have your PG started, and you are really hectic, it's fine. Okay. So don't panic. Just take your time, do it slowly, and just get it done. Just give it to them, and that's it. Okay. So follow me, subscribe, and keep following for more info videos.